Hello, Bruce Cheaney here. Welcome to my YouTube channel here. And I've got Leathercraft and metalworking and how to make handmade things posted on this channel. And today I'd like to share with you how I hand saw and cut out sterling silver and nickel silver pieces. It's a slightly different method than you've probably seen before. I've been using this method that I came up with, and it's convenient and easy for me to cut out silver, so I think you'll like this, and at least you'll know about it. So you're welcome to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and be sure and click on the bell next to the subscribe button, and you will receive notices when I upload new videos. Right here I have a round circle with two slots in it. This is a saddle concho, and then those dark pieces there are hand cut oak leaves that I cut out of sterling silver. And I'll show you how I lay out my silver. I darken it with a magic marker, blacken the silver, and then I will scratch around my pattern. I make cardboard templates, my own designs, and then I scratch around the templates onto the marked either nickel silver or sterling silver. In this case, I'm cutting out sterling silver oak leaves. This is an example of what you can do. You can make a pattern either out of nickel silver or poster board, cut it out and use that for a pattern, and then scribe around it with a sharp scratch awl. I've got this little general vise. You can find these at knife making supplies and online. I've got a Scies 3 blade in my jeweler's frame here. The blade is in the saw backwards, actually. The cutting edge is facing forward. I find that this method is efficient for me, and I can cut a little easier horizontal like this than I can vertical up and down. As you'll notice, I've got a lubricant I put on the blade every now and then. That lubricates the blade so it doesn't galled up. It actually gives you a little better cutting and a little more blade life. You'll have to create a feel for cutting out your silver, kind of a light-handed feel. If you're heavy-handed, you'll break a lot of blades. It's just something that comes with trial and error and experience. Sometimes flowers and leaves are much easier to cut than like oak leaves. This silver is fairly thick. 18, 20, 22 gauge cuts really easy. These are 16 gauge sterling silver oak leaves. As you can see, within just a few minutes, I can cut out a oak leaf or cut out my pattern. Can easily turn it with this little vise and continue cutting. Now look at my vise and the tools I use. The jeweler's frame, the Scies 3/0 blades, piercing saw blades, and there's the company that imports them to the USA, made in Switzerland. Good blades with a round back. Thanks for taking your time to watch this video, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you.